Okay, so um, we are going to learn about posts in the pages. Posts, when you go to post here, you can add a post, and remember that a post is different from a page. So let's add a new post and see. It will open up, boom. Then you can say this is post one. This is an example. Then there is block editor here. You can type about what is in the post. Maybe say this is my first post. Okay, so this is your post and these are settings of your post, but you can as well keep on adding a lot of information down. So the visibility, you can make it public, private, password protected. Now there are tags. There are tags. There is a permalink. When you click permalink, this is the link that can take you directly to that post that you are going to post. So that means you can always change this permalink. You get a different link and paste it here, so that when someone clicks that, you take that person to that very page, but there is no need to change it. Then there are categories. You have to fill in the category if you want. What can I fill in as a category? Okay, let's first leave it without category. I just wanted you to know there are categories, there are tags. You tag that post. It's like, take it as an example for the use of social media. Social media has tags. There are categories. What are you trying to write about? This is basically done to help Google understand what you are typing. In case someone is searching for your work, what is on that page. So it is basically to help Google understand what is on that page, so that when people are searching for it will direct someone who is searching about that very category, that very post. They will just direct them. So actually I'm taking you in SEO. This is just web design, but that is again search engine optimization and search engine marketing. Okay, so you can also include a featured image. You set the image here, you upload as I showed you how to upload. You put a featured image there, but we do not want to do that now, because that image you can select it in the media library or you upload it. So media library already has this picture that we uploaded, the file that we uploaded. Okay, there is expert. You write an expert option. All these are actually discussion. You can allow comments or not allow comments, people to comment about your post. Allow ping bags and track bags. You can allow or not allow. So after setting up each and everything, publish immediately, visibility public, you publish. But before that, I didn't show you this. This is called block editor. Block editor, you can bold your post, your words here. You can bold them. You see it's now bold. You highlight this, and you can have heading, you can have list, a quote. You can make it like a quote, a button, column, group, performated, para quote. As you can see here, it's demonstrating how it can be looking like. You can make it a verse. So it depends on what you want. You can see in the preview how it's going to be looking like: list, quote, buttons, columns, group, performated, para, full quote, verse. Okay, so another option here is change. You can change the alignment to center. Then you can change to center. You can change to right. You can change the alignment to left, just as in word processing, if you understand word processing. You can also attach a link. you copy and paste the URL, universal resource locator here. You can paste the link, you open it in new tab, depending. If you click this, open it in new tab, when you click this post, it will just open it in a new tab and show you different content of the link that you have pasted there. Okay, so there is another option here of you can put an inline image, but we do not want to do that. You can also put a subscript, a strike through. You see a strike through line. Text color, you can change the text color here. If you want to change, you can change the text color. Still, you can strike through, remove the strike through, and there are a lot of options here. Keyboard input. So what I want you to do is to come here on your page. Before you publish it, make sure you explore all these different things. Just make sure that you learn everything in WordPress so that you become an expert in WordPress. Before that, I'm going after that, I'm going to show you the best way, the easiest way. We shall just install plugins and start building our website using the plugin that is already professional, that is looking good. But right now I wanted to show you how these things work, the options, so that you do not get confused. There is italic. You see how italic changes it. So actually I've taken you through the block editor, block editor, and everything else about this. Then after that, you can save it as a draft. You can preview it, how it's going to look like, and then after that you can publish that post. Visibility immediately, add tags, show. Okay, you publish. So your post is published right now. You can go here and view it, or go here, click view post, and you're going to see how it's going to be looking like. Post 1, you see, post 1, this is its categories, tags and categories. But if you don't include this, we didn't include the category, but we included the tag. So you see, let's take an example. We want to learn how these tags work, which, let me use NTV news. We want to get any website that is going to help us understand these tags. Okay, so this is a post. This is a post, only that it is a video post. We wanted to have a website that only has not videos. Let's search for Makerere University. Makerere University. When you click that website, you will be able to see how this works. When you click admission, so you see admission is like a category. It will open the page, but admission is a category. Then there are also tags. So this is how your tags work. When you click academic units, there is a category. It's called academic units. It's home. There is category. There is a category, and there is also a tag. So this helps you to really, when someone goes on Google and searches admission Makerere, it can bring you to this page without taking you to the home page of Moodle. It will just bring you straight to academic units. You see, to admissions, I mean, if you've searched for admissions on Google, you get it. So that in that way it will be easy for Google to understand what is on that very page. I hope you understand that. So let's go back. This is the page we have published. When we go to our dashboard, we've finished here understanding how posts work. Okay, so I'm going to delete that post and show you how pages work also. Delete permanently. If you want, you can restore. There's an option to restore it. So one post deleted permanently. So let's go to pages. You can add a new. You can click all pages. You can go directly to add a new. Still, when you click all pages, there is a sample page here, but still you can add a page. This is how you're going to be adding pages. Basically, pages do not have categories because pages are more static. They are more permanent than posts which are dynamic. So this is your page. You can say maybe home page. Then there is our block editor. I showed you everything about how this block editor works. This is my home page. This is an example, and I've been showing you how block editor works. This is a block editor. You can edit in format of blocks, and then you proceed to the next step. You add a block, just like that. You keep on adding a block until when you build the site that you want. So still you come here in settings and work on the settings, URL slang, the slang of that is going to be known on Google. It's going to be called the home, but you can always change it as you want. You can as well set a featured image, just as we did on the post. So the only difference is that page is permanent, more permanent, and the post is dynamic. You change it, and it has tags, it has subcategories and categories, but pages are permanent. Just like we were at Makerere University. This is home, is a page. This is a page. You see, this is like a page, but when you click oil and gas, that is a post, and it will be having categories. This is a oil and gas government box. This is a post, and a post is under a page. I hope you understand that. So this is a post. So they just put something little in the, just to make you read. If you are interested in that post, you just click it and it gives you more information. So that is a post, but we found it in a page. Okay, so they are interlinked. So when we go back here, this is a page that I designed. But we shall reach there, don't worry. After that, you can publish. Still the same way you publish, you can first preview as on desktop, on tablet, on mobile. When you click mobile, this is how it's going to be looking like on mobile, tablet. Then after that, you publish, save draft. You can save it as a draft. You see it's in save. Then after you publish, okay, yes, and after publish, you publishing your page. You can view your page. Okay. Okay.